Welcome to the world of data structure. What today's topic is binary tree traversal. Hi, this is Janish Shah, your instructor. So let's start with the outlines. See, first today we need to understand that what do we mean by binary tree traversal. Then we'll talk about the in-order traversal, and I will show you one example that how can you write the traversal order, okay, in binary tree when you are performing with in-order traversal operation. Fine. Now another two or rest of the two traversals are pre-order and post-order. We will talk about pre-order and post-order in our upcoming lectures. Okay, so let's first start that what do we mean by binary tree traversal. So students, here is the definition of binary tree traversal, that when you visit each and every node of binary tree, then that operation is known as traversal in binary tree. So before understanding that what we exactly mean by traversal or how we are going to perform it, let me show you some terms. The first one is L. L stands for left. Then we have V. V stands for visit, and then another term is R. R stands for right. Fine. So here three terminologies are there: left, visit and right. Fine. Okay. So in order students, in order, what we need to do is we just need to traverse or visit the node in a left, visit and right manner. Okay. So what you are exactly speaking, I am not able to understand it. Okay. Just wait for a moment. If you in your class of 30 or if in our class of 60, just imagine that there are 6 rows are there. Okay. First I decide to go to visit the row number 1, then row number 2, then row number 3. I am just going to visit from left to right, from left to right. So at that time students, what happens in such situation my visiting order is left to right. Okay. Now if imagine a situation when I am just choose another way to visit your bench, that I am just choosing from right to left. Okay. So that is another scenario. What my aim is? My aim is to visit bench of each and every student at least one. Okay. I visit your bench, then check your homework or check your notebooks. That is my purpose. So for that operation is known as, for class data structure, that operation is known as traversing operation. So same like that here, what I need to do is I just need to visit each and every node of tree. Fine. So first is in order, in which, see, V stands for visit. V stands for visit, where you are visiting a node in between of the elements, then that is known as in order. Okay. So name shows that how we are visiting the nodes. First we have V in order, that shows LVR. L stands for left, V stands for visit, and then move towards the right side. Then we have pre-order. Okay. Now just imagine a situation. Okay. In order, V is in between of L and R. Okay. Right now in pre-order, V is first, because according to pre-order you need to first do visit, then go left, then right. Fine. Now the next is, that is post order. Okay. So post order is L, R and V. L stands for left, R stands for right and V stands for visit. So in post order traversing operation, you first need to go on the left side, then go on the right side and then do visit operation. Fine. So what is exactly mean by go on the left side, go on the right side, that we will see in our example, but let me show the figure first. See, here is a figure, the root node A is there, O, A, O, F, P, L, H, E, J, Q and G. Fine. So most probably I am just taking the common example in my each and every lecture, so you will understand it very easily. Fine. So just I am going to perform each and every operation on this figure or on this tree. So let's start first with the in order operation. But before that, remember three things. In order LVR. In order LVR. Fine. For pre-order, we have to go or we have to choose VLR, visit left right, And in post order, students, we need to choose LRV, that means left, right and visit. So here right now we need to perform three different operations: in order, pre-order and post order. These three are the types of traversal operations. Fine. So let's start with the very first traversal type, that is in order traversing. So here it is. I have already written over there that LVR, so you can easily understand, sir, what we need to do. We first need to go on the left, then visit, then right. Fine. So this is our tree. Okay. So in exam or to solve this example, what to do? Okay, students, just write LVR on each and every node. Suppose I have root node A, okay, then node O, then node F. So what I need to do is I just need to write LVR tag on each and every node. Okay, so here it is. See, I have just already done that LVR on each and every node. Okay, so always start your operations from root node. Make sure you need to start your operation from root node. Okay, so now just focus on the slides that how I am performing the operations. Okay, so very first is on the root node, that is written as L. L stands for, students, L means left. L means left. So just cut left. Okay, so just cut left. Okay, see, just cut on the left and move on the left side. So I'm just moving on the left side. So now the next node is O. Again, see, first I start with the root node A. First I start with the root node A. Fine. Now what to do is, first is L. So you just need to cut down the L. Okay, and then move on the left side. So whatever the operation we have performed, we are going to cut it down. If I go on the left side, so first I just need to cut L, then move on the left side. If I go on the right side, so first I need to cut R and then move on the right side. Why I am doing such type of things? So at the end I can understand, okay, these are the operations I need to perform. Okay, or these are the remaining operations that I just forgot to perform. Okay, so do not forget the sequence, just go in the sequence. It first is L, so do L, that is left, cut on the L and move forward to the next node, that is O. Okay, now what is on O, what you are just reading right now, that is LVR again. So first you need to do is left, so cut on the left. Okay, and then move ahead on the left side, on the left subchild. Okay, so O's left subchild is P. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to cut on L and move further for P. Now tell me, is there any node on the left side of P? Is there any node on the left side of P? Yes or no? No. Okay, so just forget it. Okay, so that's finished. If there is no node on the left side, then it's okay. Now let's take V. V of which node? V of P, because you need to still remain operations on P. Okay, so from A we cut down the L and move towards the O. From O we cut down L again, move towards the P. Then on P, students, we cut down the L, but after that there are no nodes on the left side. So take V, so that is visit, So this is the first node which we need to write in our order, in our answer. So during the in order, which is the very first node that we have visited, that is P. Okay, fine. Okay, so if you can see, when I just visited the node P, I just cut on the V and write down that answer over here. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to first, we need to cut P, we need to cut V. Okay, visit P and write down it into answer. Fine. Now fine, what is the next operation? R. Okay, L V R, above the P, read it very carefully, L V, then you need to perform one R operation. Okay, students, is there any right side? Yes, right side of the P, there is H. Okay, so just move on the right side of P, right side of the P. Okay, that is H. Very good. So what you need to do is you just need to right side of the P, that is H. So first is L. Now students, tell me, is there any left node of L? No. So that means you just need to go on the V, that means visit H. So I'm just writing H over here. Okay, fine. The next is R. Next is R. Is there any right child of H? Is there any right child of H? Cut R. Is there any right child of H? No. Okay, see, now this is the main step that you need to understand during the traversal operations. Right now, all three L, V and R of H is cut down. We just cut each, we have already done left, visit and right for H. So what you need to do is, when you are just performing such operations, then if all three LV are cut down, then go to the parent node. Then go to the parent node. See, what we need to do is, we just need to perform left, visit and right on H. We have already done it. Then where to go? Get back to the parent node. Who is the parent node of H? That is P. So get back to the P. Fine. Now check the remaining operations. You done L? Yes. You done V? Yes. You done R? Yes. So all three operations done on V. So what we need to do, move further? We just need to move to the parents node again. So the P's parent node is O. So here it is O. So let's start with the O. Okay. So what is the remaining operation, students? That is V. So first you need to visit O. So write down the O in your answer. Fine. So now the next is R. So move towards the right side, cut on the R, then move towards the right side, that is L. Okay. On L node, we first need to go on the left side. So move towards the cut the L, then move towards the left side, that is E. So again left side of E, cut L, move towards the left side of E. There is nothing on the left side of E. So students, what we need to do is, we just need to move next operation of E, that is V. V stands for visit. So when you are just performing visit operation, just write down that in answer. So that's E. So E is our next node which is visited by us after O. Now the next is R for E. Next is right side. Is there any node on the right side of E? No. That means just cut R. Now again, all three L, V and R is already cut down for node E. Now what to do? What to do? If all three cut down, then again students, what to do? You just need to move towards the parent node. Now E's parent node is L. You just move towards the L. Now what is the next operation remaining on L? That is visit. So just do visit of L, write down the L in the answer and then move towards the next, that is R. So R, that means the right side. Is there any node on the right side of L? Yes or no? No. So don't worry, just cut down the R. There is nothing on the right side. So now just check L, V and R. All three operations performed on L. All are cut down. Then what to do? Just move towards the parent node again. So I'm just moving towards the parent node. Now check O. Check O very carefully. Is there any remaining operation on O? L, V and R. All three performed? Yes. Then move towards the parent node. Now tell me, what is the parent node of O? That is our root node A. That is our root node A. So now go on A. Now see, on A we have already done on the L. Left side is completed. Now what to do next is visit. Next is visit V. So we need to do visit. That means visit node A and write node A into the answer. Fine. So next, after A, we need to visit A. Now, next is R. So move towards the right side, cut down R, go on the right side. Our node is F. So that means you need to just do the left side. Okay, cut down L, move towards the left side. That is J. So again left side, cut down L, move towards the left side. Is there anything remaining on the left side of J? No, students. So what is the remaining operation? That is V. After L, we need to perform V. Okay, that's why write down visit J, write down into the answer. Fine. Now the next is R. Next is R. Okay, that means cut R, move towards the right side of J, that is G. That is G. Fine. So now we are on the G. So G is a leaf node. Same as H and D, you know that G is a leaf node. Okay, so that means there is no left side. Okay, so just there is no node on the left side, so just performing the visit operation over G. That means write down the G and check the right side of G. Is there any node on the right side of G? No. Fine. So just cut it down and then move towards the C. Now all three operations L, B and R are already completed on G. So just move towards the parent node of G. Students, what is the parent node of G? Tell me, what is the parent node of G? That is J. Okay, now tell me, is there any operation remaining on J to be performed? No, because we have already done left, visit and right. Fine. So what to do? Just move towards the parent of J. Which node is parent node of J? See, F. Okay. So is there any operation remaining on F? Yes, that is visit. So just visit F, write down the F into the answer and then move further. Next operation we need to perform is R. What is the next operation? That is R. Okay. So just you need to move towards the right side of F. Okay. So here it is. Cut down the R, then move towards the right side of F, that is Q. So now perform the left of Q. Is there anything on the left of the Q? Cut down L, just check it out. Is there anything on the left of Q? No. Fine. The next is visit. So just visit the Q and write down it in the answer. The last one is R. Cut down the R. Okay. Now, is there anything remaining? See, now the whole figure. I am just cutting each and every L, V, R, okay, notation on the nodes. Why I am doing such things? Because in exam I am not getting any error. Okay, if I just forgot to perform any operation or if I just forgot to visit any node, then I can easily check it out. Okay, so students, what you need to do is you just need to perform the operation as per the instructions, and instructions are very common. L, V, R. For in order, you need to go first on the left side, then do visit, then right side. So if you can see the figure, if I am showing you something like, first you just need to go on the check out the root node. Okay, first you need to select the left side, then visit, then right, left, visit, right, left, visit, right. Now if you are on the root node A, then first you need to go on the left. Until and unless you do the visit of that node, please don't write in the answer. Whenever you do the visit, then write down the answer. Whenever you do the visit, then write down the answer. Fine. So here my answer of the in order traversal is P, H, O, E, L, A, J, G, F and Q. Fine. This is the order of visiting each and every node. Fine. So that is in order traversal. What you need to do is over here, you just need to do L, V and R, that means left, visit and right. So that is your answer. Okay, so just try such type of examples at your home. Okay, take any tree, make any tree, but make sure it must be a binary tree. And sir, how can you say it is binary tree or not? Make sure that number of child should not be more than 2. Fine. So that's it for today's lecture. Thank you so much, students.